Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're finally hooking up the rods and pistons, but first let's check the piston ring gaps. The machinist already gapped them per cylinder since this is a boost build, so now it's just about making sure each ring is matched to the right cylinder. Once that's set, I'll be installing the rings onto the pistons using a technique the machinist showed me. Some people prefer using ring pliers, but honestly, I don't want to risk breaking any piston ring. It's also super important to start lubricating everything during the process. I'll be using assembly lube on all components to make sure everything slides together smoothly, and you can grab this stuff at pretty much any local parts store. Unfortunately, I didn't have the right setup to check rod clearances the same way I did with the main caps, so I had no choice but to use plastigage to get the readings for each piston rod. Now, each rod's ARP bolt will get a proper layer of grease, just like the instructions included with the kit recommend. Finally, after all 4 pistons and rods were installed and torqued to spec, it's time to check for top dead center. This step is important because it helps confirm that the crank, rods, and pistons are all rotating smoothly and that the pistons are sitting correctly at top dead center. Verifying this ensures proper timing later on and prevents issues with piston to head clearance once the engine is fully assembled. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching!